So by creating WhatsApp poll, you can ask questions in your WhatsApp groups and get real-time answers or opinions from your group members. Let me show you how to add poll in WhatsApp. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Trio Techies. My name is Ankur and in today's video, I am going to show you how to create poll on WhatsApp. So friends, in order to create poll, you need to have an updated version of WhatsApp. I'll show you where can you find the option to create poll. For that, let me take you to my WhatsApp account. So this is my WhatsApp business account. I'm using business WhatsApp. However, if you are not using WhatsApp business, then don't worry. Poll feature is also available in normal WhatsApp. Now, in order to create a poll, either you can create it in a group or you can send individual message as poll. Okay, let me show you how to create it in a group, and in a similar way you can create it in an individual message as well. So let's take this group for example. Now in order to create poll, you have to open that particular group in which you want to send poll. Once you open the WhatsApp group, you need to click on this attachment icon just next to where you type the message. As soon as you click on this attachment icon, you will find different options like document, camera, gallery, audio, catalog. Some of the options might not be available in normal WhatsApp. This is business WhatsApp, so you see the option for catalog, quick reply. Catalog and quick reply you will not see in the normal WhatsApp. In normal WhatsApp, you'll see document, camera, gallery, audio, location, contact, and poll. So this is what we are talking about. By any chance, if you do not find poll option here in your WhatsApp, then it would mean your WhatsApp is not updated. So you need to update your WhatsApp either by Google Play Store if you are using Android phone, or if you are using iPhone, then you need to update it from the App Store. Once updated, then you will be able to find poll option here. So once you click on poll, you will see a page like this where you can ask a question and then give options to that particular question. For example, let's say if this is my family group and I want to ask my family members where do we want to go on next vacation, so I can just create a poll. I can ask a question in here in ask question section. I'll type my question. All right, now I'm giving options. So in options, let's say I want them to answer if we want to go on hills or we would want to go to beaches. All right, I can add further more options here, but for now I'm just adding two options, hills and beaches. I will click on this send button and this poll will be sent in the WhatsApp group. Members in the group, they start answering to this question. You will see the number changing here. So let's say if somebody selected hill, you see on hills it's showing number 1, that one person has polled on hills. Let's say if somebody clicks on beaches, then it will show one number on beaches. And you can view as well. You can click on view votes and you will see who all have voted for which answer. All right, so this is how you can create poll on your WhatsApp group. Similarly, you can create it on individual message as well. Just click on individual message, go to attachment icon and click on poll, and here you will find the page to create a poll. All right, so this is how you can create poll on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please do let us know in the comment section below and we will answer your question as soon as possible. If this video was helpful, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Have a nice one.